BYD Sealion 7 Comfort. Hello everyone, and welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving deep into the comfort features of the BYD Sealion 7. From the moment you open the door, you step into a cabin designed with your well-being in mind. Notice the plush, ergonomically contoured seats crafted from premium materials that not only offer exceptional support, but also adapt to your body shape for long drives. The interior ambience is accentuated by subtle, customizable ambient lighting that creates a warm and inviting atmosphere no matter the time of day. Advanced multi-zone climate control ensures that every passenger experiences an ideal temperature, while noise cancellation technologies work silently in the background to minimize outside disturbances. Let's talk about the details. Adjustable lumbar support, memory settings for seat positions, and an intuitively placed control panel all contribute to an experience that feels tailor-made for comfort. Whether you're on a short city commute or a long road trip, every detail of the Sealion 7's interior is designed to make you feel relaxed and pampered. Stay tuned as we explore further how this model turns everyday driving into a luxurious journey. If you enjoy this deep dive into comfort, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more insights on BYD's innovative designs.